What is going on, everybody? It is Dfitzwm and the R32 back here with another video. Now, I've been waiting to make this video for a little while. It is time to introduce to you guys my new Aero pieces. Let's get right into today's video. I would like to start this video by saying a huge, massive thank you to Jessie from Infamous Aero for making this video possible. No, it's not sponsored, but hey, let me know in the future. But seriously, no, Jessie reached out to me recently, maybe a month ago, after he had seen I needed a roof wing for the R32. Now, if you guys have been around the channel for a little while now, you will know that about 2 years ago, I ordered a roof spoiler. 6 months later, 2 pairs of fake Ray-Bans showed up. Probably a year ago, I went to order another roof spoiler after I found out it had a 6-month wait time, that they were not available. I said, okay, I don't want that one either. Now, most recently, probably about a month ago, Jessie reached out and said, hey, I have one in stock, I can ship it tomorrow. And that's exactly what he did. No, he didn't send the wing for free, but I wouldn't expect him to. He did cut me a fat discount and then also included this little grill insert. You guys can see this missing big gap that I've always had. Well, we're gonna see if this works with a GTR bumper. So long story short, once again, huge shout out to Jessie and Infamous Aero for getting me these pieces. So this is the Infamous Aero R32 roof wing. Now, Aero has been a bit of a problem for this car, whether that's finding it or getting it, but Infamous Aero now has a solution for R32s. 32 boys up, let's go. I've been genuinely impressed by this roof wing, the quality. It's basically ready for paint other than minor paint prep, and then the way this thing fits is exceptional. Give me just a second and I'll throw it on the car. Now, I'm not sure if these are released yet or if they'll be released very, very soon, so keep an eye out on Infamous Aero's Instagram, which will be linked down in the description below. Let's get this thing fitted and see how it fits on the car. As you guys know, when it comes to fiberglass pieces, one of the most annoying, hardest parts of that is getting them to actually fit. With Infamous Aero, you have no worries of that. Fitment is guaranteed, and it doesn't need to be. It's fucking spot on. Here it is on the driver's side for a quick tape job. Now, obviously it'll fit a lot better when it is properly secured to the car, double-sided 3M tape once it's painted, but this thing, look at that. Look at those corners. I love the extension of the body lines on this. I actually didn't realize this, but the body line here through the roof is continued into the back of the roof spoiler, and this thing is beautiful. Not only is this thing made really, really well, but just look at it. It's beautiful on top of everything else. I'm beyond hyped to get this thing sprayed and get this thing on the car. We're actually getting ready to take these couple pieces over to Dana, have them sprayed, and put them on later this week. I'm freaking excited. Now we're gonna test fit this little grill piece. This is kind of sick. I love little plaques, little handmade things. It adds to the specialty of your Aero, or any piece you get for that matter. So Sebastian, thank you for making this. Now obviously it's just set in there, but I think this little piece is going to make a huge difference because it goes from there being a giant gap and my hood doesn't fit the best anyways to a soon-to-be paint matched little grill insert. I'm excited. Let's go drop these pieces off at paint and then we'll pick them up when they're done. All right, buckle up, kids. Yo, can somebody explain to me why a medium Starbucks coffee is now $5.90? What the fuck?
$5.90 got me fucked up, but I guess I'm addicted to caffeine. I did this to myself.
Alright, so we made it. DW Customs in Sanford. If you guys need anything painted, hit up my boy Dana. Again, the car came out exceptional and I am beyond excited to get these pieces back in Millennium Jade Green. He lays it down, man. He lays it down. Alright, let's drop these things off and I will see you when they're done. We are back with the car and the roof wing. So this is my second or third time trying to record this. I filmed putting the wing on the car, but I ended up accidentally deleting that footage. Let me show you this on the car. Massive, massive, massive shout out to Dana once again for laying down this paint. Absolutely icy. I mean, look at that. Look at that reflection. Look at the paint. This thing genuinely fits so well too. Now, there is a little bit of gap at the bottom, but that is because of my doing. Same thing on this side, as you guys can see. I used 2 strips of 3M adhesive tape, and I installed it by myself at night, the night before I left for Gatlinburg. So take your extra 30 seconds, grab a friend, and just make sure you press the back of the wing down. It's not gonna bother me too much. It's on there and it's the same color. From all angles possible, this roof wing just looks so freaking good. Side profile, look at this. coming around the rear. So good. And I know I mentioned this earlier in the video, but as you guys can see, the body lines are matched up perfectly. Even though these corners are matched up, the body lines I got absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Look at that, man. Oh my gosh. But yeah, once again, massive shout out to Jessie and Infamous Aero for sending this wing out. I apologize, it took quite a long time to get it painted and on the car, but here we are. Infamous's information will be linked down in the description below, so if you have an R32, if you have another car and you're looking for some Aero pieces, go check out Infamous Aero. I'm filming this today, Wednesday. Got back from Gatlinburg yesterday, so just one last reminder, Gatlinburg episode 1 is gonna go up Friday at some point. Then the following week, it'll be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with more content coming after that. One last reminder as well, I am going to start to stream in the evenings, anything and everything. Be sure to check out my Twitch down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.